Okay, I'm going to show off this product. This product could save your life, could save your house. This will prevent lint buildup in your dryer hose. And it's very useful to use every so often. Clean your dryer hose out. Open it up here and show you what it comes with. So it comes with 4 extensions. Okay, so it's got an adapter. This goes onto your dryer hose. Then you can hook your vacuum cleaner up to here, and then basically you'll put this inside of there, and these screw together, and you can do a few at a time. That screws on like that, and then this will be inside, but you do it through the small hole, and that way you can clean the inside of your dryer with that hose. It's a smaller little scrubber, and there's a larger scrubber, so get the inside of the hose. And as your vacuum is hooked up here, it'll suck all the stuff up. When I did ours, I filled 8 vacuum cleaners with the amount of dust that was inside of it. So you basically just hook it onto your drill. This is a Milwaukee, and it spins inside there, and I'll show you what it looks like with the other piece on there. Just like that. And that'll ream out your vent hose real well and get it all clean. So I definitely recommend this product. If you have not done this on your house, you really should, because it is very dangerous to have that heat build up in there. Easily catch fire.